I'll show you how to change the brakes on a 2010 Sonata. Jack it up and put it on a jack stand. Remove the lug nuts. This is a 13/16 socket. Remove the wheel. Push the wheel under the car. We'll break the guide pin loose and the one on the bottom. Then we'll spin out the bolts. We'll pull off the caliper. Remove the brake shoes. And remove the back one. Here's the new pads. Check the fit of the brakes. They fit real nice. We'll put some high temperature grease on here. Put it on both sides. Then we'll put the pad in. We'll add grease to the other pad and slip it into place again. We'll compress the piston back into place on the caliper. We'll check the guide pins. Everything runs real nice and smooth. We'll put the caliper back into place. Put the bolts for the guide pins back in. We'll snug everything up. Put the wheel back into place. Snug up the wheel so it seats. Now we'll drop the car down to the ground. Torque the wheels to 80 foot-pounds. Brakes feel nice. Retorque the lug nuts. Don't skip retorquing because you don't want your wheel to fall off. Just a little bit of driving can loosen them up. I already felt the wrench move a few times. There we go, a little more. That's how you put brake shoes on a 2010 Sonata.